We are going to use a method called stop motion to create these really magical videos that make it look like Elf is moving all on his own, or her own. I've got the female version. First things first is you're going to download a free stop motion video app. This is our app and it's called Lapse, and it's available on iOS or Android. Before we dive into the app, I'm just going to share two basic things with you on the principles of stop motion creation. So first things first, all you have to know is all stop motion is a sequence of photos stitched together. So what we're going to be doing is we'll be taking a photo of Elf, moving him a little, take another photo, move a little, so on and so forth. And when you play it back, it looks like he's moving on his own once you speed up the video. The second principle is to not move the phone while you're shooting, because if you're moving the phone, then everything's going to be moving as you take it versus just Elf. If you have a tripod for your phone, amazing. If you don't and you want to get one, they're available on Amazon. You can probably get it overnight if you have Prime. If not, we have a couple different hacks that you can use if you don't have a tripod. The hack is pretty simple, and it's just to find something to lean your phone against while you're shooting. So you can use a mug, a cup, a book, anything really, as long as the phone is upright and not moving throughout the duration of your shoot. If you want to shoot directly down, a hack for this is to place your phone on the edge of a table or a chair. This will be super handy if you're creating snow angels with Elf.
Welcome to Elf on the Shelf tutorial, where Elf is sliding across cereal boxes. This is a great idea to do if you have your cereal boxes out in the open, or you have a breakfast nook or station. Alternatively, you can figure out a similar concept. And if you like, you can even have Elf sliding on a shelf. After all, it is Elf on the Shelf. So what you're going to do is just have Elf sitting there, make sure it's a spot that's stable. You're going to take a photo, move the Elf, take another photo, and so on until Elf is out of the scene and you have all of your shots. Something that would be cool for this one would be if you're able to get your hands on the Elf on the Shelf cereal. That would be quite cool to have boxes of that with the Elf going across it. Hot tip! For your capture Elf move videos, you're going to want to use either a Bluetooth remote or the in-app interval timer to take each photo. This will ensure that you avoid having a shaky video. Once you have all of your photos, you can open up the in-app editor. The Elf on the Shelf videos don't require a lot of editing. For this one, all I did was adjust the brightness, but some of the other things you may wish to do is play around with the speed, duplicate frames, or even freeze them. So once you've done any of the editing that you need to do, you can save your video.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps get our brand in front of more eyes. This is only one of many Elf on the Shelf video tutorials that we have. If you want to access more ideas on how to bring Elf on the Shelf to life and create videos of him caught on camera moving around your house, please click the link in the description below to access the full playlist. If you share your video on social media, I'd absolutely love to see it. Please include the hashtag ElfOnTheShelfVideo so I can see what you guys are creating. Thanks for watching.